Hello everyone, my channel Error Solution. Today I am discussing Laravel 11 full course and this part 114 customer support live HTML shared by Laravel 11. This is my official website www.errorsolutioncode.com. Let's start this video. First of all, my gem server already started Apache and MySQL and this already run localhost PSP my admin successfully. This is run real estate underscore Laravel underscore 11. This is the database name. Inside this list of table is available, and this my project is available gem folder inside this htdoc folder, and this is a project. This project is already open. This my Sublime text editor. Good working this project. Let's this project inside this cmd open means command prompt open cmd this command prompt open. Let's run PSP artisan server. PSP artisan server, this is a run. Please wait, this PSP artisan server run. Please wait, this project directory inside this is a open this project directory inside. Successfully working good. This copy this URL copy. This URL is copy and paste here this browser. Successfully paste. You copy and paste this browser. Successfully working. This is a project is a working good. Let's open this project. This project inside this click this new table is a create table name is a support table. Let's create this click this new inside this is a support table is a create. First of all support name. Inside this is a id, second is a user id, third is a title, description. Let's inside this is the implementation, description, status, created date, and last is a updated date. And this is a title is a varchar, description is a text, tiny integer, this is a tiny integer, this is a 4, by default is a 0 means open, 1 means closed, 0 open, 1 means closed, 1 means closed. This text is available text null, this is a null, and this is a 11, and this is a unlimited, and this is a primary key. Select this primary key and auto increment. AL is a auto increment, and this is available support inside this id, user id, title, description, status, and created and updated date. This is the date and time is a select, date and time, null, successfully all set. This is a good working. The support table is successfully working fine. Let's click this save. The successfully save. This is a table is a successfully create. This is a user id means available. This is a user table inside this is a user login. This is a user id is a implementation. This is a user id, this user id 1 2 3 4, and this inside this is a implementation, and this is the set is 0 means open, 1 means close. The same here WhatsApp type this set. Next table is a create. This next table is a replay table, support replay. Support replay table is a create. First of all this is id, second is a this is a support table id. This support this table id is available, support id. Same here copy and paste here this table id. This is a table support table id inside this implementation. Next is a this is a user id, next last is a description, and this 2 column is a implement created and updated. This created and last is a updated date is a set. This is a date and time, txt, integer all. This is a 11, and this 11, null, 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 null. Primary increment, and this click this AI auto increment. Good working. The support reply ID, support ID, user ID, description created and set. This is all implementation, and this click this save. Good working. This is a successfully available. Two table is a create. The support replay table. The support replay table is a successfully create. This is a table ID. This is a table ID is available. This ID inside 1 2 3 4 5 6 and insert inside. This is a implementation. This is implementation. User ID means user table is a this user table ID available. This user ID inside. This is a implementation. Good working. This is a two created. Good. This two table is a successfully created, and this my project is available. Let's start. Close this, and this is a my project. This project is available. Let's inside. This is a project is already run. This run. Let's / admin login. This is our admin login, and this screen is available. Login screen. Let's admin @gmail.com. Password is a 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and click this login, and not now. Please wait. This is a login, successfully login. Inside this set system is a implementation. First of all, this two table is a create. First table is a support, next is a support replay. Two table is a create, less model is a create. This support model, less http this model inside. This first model is a create support model. Let's new support model.php. Successfully this is a create. Next is available support replay table. Let's two table is a create, two file is a create. Support replay model.php successfully create. This two table is a create. Same here, this table is open. This table inside this same copy. This is table means this is a copy, and this paste here. On this only name sense, this is a name is available. Support model, same name is a paste here, and this is a remove, not use this remove. Successfully this is a create support model. The support model inside this is a implement. This is a support table name. Click this support, same here, copy and paste here. Successfully copy and paste. This is a successfully created file. This simple. Next is a paste here, and this inside this name is available. Support replay model, and this is the model name is available. This table name is a support replay table. Same name is a copy and paste here. Successfully this is a model is a create. First support model, please write down, and the second is a support replay model. This is good working. Next is available support controller is a create. This is support controller inside this new controller is a create support controller. Support controller. The same name is a support controller is a create, and PSP successfully create. The support controller is successfully create. Let's transaction controller is open. Inside the same here, copy and paste here, and this is a close. This function is not used, this remove, and this name is the same name is available. Support controller successfully created. Support controller is a successfully created. This model is the first model is available. This model name is available. Support model, same copy, and inside this is a paste here. This is a paste. Next is available. This next is a support replay model. This is the model, same name is a copy and paste. Last is already available user model. Let's the same here, copy and paste here. This is a user model. This user table is available. This user ID and support ID. This is a click this user, and this table is already created by default Laravel. This is a user model. This model inside this is implementation. Successfully all create this controller. First of all, this model is a create, second is a controller is a create. Let's refresh this page as it is working fine. Inside this new menu is a create, menu name is a support menu, otherwise lost of doubt your mind is a available. Let's new support menu is a create. This is a support menu. Let's open this text editor. Inside this, please write down this all file is successfully created. Resource, view, admin, body, and this is a sidebar. Successfully sidebar is a create, and this is available discount code. This last is available, this is a discount code. Let's new menu is a create, same name is a copy and paste here. This is a name is a available, support menu is a create, support name only simple support, admin support, and this is a support. Successfully this is a menu is a create, good working. Let's check this inside this available or not available. Successfully available this support menu. Click this support, and this inside this available admin support. Click this support, and 404 record is a fine available. This successfully available admin support 404, same name is a copy, and this is a route. Inside web.php open. Inside this new function, this is the admin login. This let's start this support system start support start support end successfully create route get, and this paste here. And inside this is a controller name is already create. This is a controller, same name copy and paste here. This is a controller name is a create support controller. This is a create already created. This support controller copy and paste here is permanently paste here. This is a not doubt. This is a close, successfully close, and this inside this implementation. Last is a close. Support class. Function name is a implementation, function name is a first function name is a support, only support list is a show this support, good working. This is a write down, please write down this. Let's same a copy and public function, public function paste here, and this is inside this echo www.error solution code.com, and this is a die and save file. Let's refresh this page. Successfully available www.errorsolutioncode.com. This is a menu is a created, good working. This is a click this support successfully good. This is a available admin support. This is a name is available. This my official website errorsolutioncode.com. Any doubt, so please contact anytime. This Telegram, WhatsApp and Skype is available. 7-year experience. This my field is a Laravel field is, and this my YouTube channel. Please subscribe and click the bell icon. Follow this all Facebook, Instagram and GitHub page. Let's start this support system. And this is a part is a 1. This part is a only one part 1. This is a part is a 1 available. This part is a done. Next part 2 is a inside. This is a implementation new HTML. This is a support list inside. This is a all get. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you. Please write down this all card. This is a please write down all. Thank you.